After installing the Kali Linux machine, now we will install the victim machine, which is Windows 10. For this purpose, we will have to go to a link provided by Microsoft, which I will share within the resources of this course. You can download here a trial version of Windows 10, which expires after 3 months. Just select the virtual machine that you want, in this case MS Edge on Windows 10, and the platform is of course VMware, and just download the zip file. Note that the password is password then exclamation mark. I've already done that. I've downloaded the zip file and extracted the zip file as well. Now, as we did for the Kali machine, just go to the workstation player interface, go to home, then open a virtual machine, navigate to the extracted files, select the OVF file and press open. Here you can name the Windows machine. I'll name it Windows 10, and then you can press on import. Importing the Windows machine will take some time, actually a couple of minutes, before it populates on the interface of the player. Now you can see that the Windows 10 machine is populated. As we did for the Kali, we can edit the virtual machine settings. Actually here the memory used is 4 gigs. I'll downgrade it to 2 gigs and press OK, and then we'll run the Windows machine. Remind me later. And here we go. Now you have the Windows 10 machine up and running, and we have our lab set up.